Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and ZIP archives on the OnePlus 10T 5G. So first of all, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. Here, locate the files that you want to pack. I'm just gonna pack 2 pictures that I just took. Now we can press on this plus button on the top. That way you'll enter archiving options and you can change any of these options right here. There's a lot of them, so I'm just gonna pick a new name as it's not necessary to actually adjust them. Let's go with the pictures. Click OK when all settings are ready, and that way you'll create a RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.